Hey guys, what's up? If you've came to this video, it means you want to know more about Exipure, right? So let me just tell you this, that there are many things you should know about Exipure before you guys actually purchase it. And I want to tell you all the truth about it in this video. So if you guys want to know more about it, then stay tuned until the very end of this video, okay? Because I have some really important things to share with you guys. So before I get started, let me just tell you that if you are looking to purchase Exipure, you can only get it on their official website. And to help you guys out, I'm going to leave the website, the original and official website, just below this video in the description box. And that is the only place where you can get the original Exipure from, okay? That is where I got my Exipure from, the one that I'm still taking. So guys, I needed to lose a few pounds back a while ago. I wasn't really satisfied with my body, I was overweight. And I tried everything. I tried nutritionists, I tried going to the gym, but nothing really motivated me, so I couldn't stop eating around the clock, like eating junk food and things like that. So I had tried already all the diets that you could think of. I couldn't wear my old clothes because they wouldn't fit me. So I really needed to lose a few pounds. And a friend of mine suggested Exipure to me because she took Exipure, and I actually remember this like it was yesterday. She was overweight and she needed to lose a few pounds as well. And she started taking Exipure. And I remember telling her that I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not, but she gave it a shot anyways. And she actually managed to lose 12 kilos. So now she recommended Exipure to me, and I started taking Exipure. I'm already taking it for 3 months, and I've already managed to lose 10 kilos, guys. Yes. However, I do maintain a very strict treatment, all right? Because Exipure's treatment, the minimum treatment is 3 months, and the full treatment is 6 months. And you guys can actually test Exipure out for 60 days. And within those 60 days, if you don't want it anymore, you can just ask for a refund and they'll give you 100% of your money back. So it's really cool. And guys, Exipure is really cool because it is 100% natural. So there are like no contradictions or side effects to it. That's why I was so excited about taking it, because it's natural and it will not harm your body. So what it does is it will speed your body's metabolism. And once your body's metabolism is working faster, it burns off calories. And it's as simple as that, guys. So let me tell you this. I am one of those guys, one of those people who are having great results with Exipure. And you can be one of them too. There are many people around the world giving Exipure a chance and actually having great results with it. Well, guys, I have to go now, but if you want to know more information about Exipure, read people's feedbacks on their official website. Check out how their experience with it was like. If you want to know more about its ingredients, you can read about it over there too. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Remember to give Exipure a chance, all right, guys? See you guys around. Bye.